for rocks, ride through sand, tame every turn, rule every terrain.
You can give me a short answer, you can elaborate if you want to. The two of you can jump in as well, see if you agree with what he has to say. So, let's go. First question. Kane comes into this World Cup 2 goals behind you. Will he leave Qatar as England's top scorer?
I think for sure. I think he will. I think he's a goal scorer, and as Sol said, if England are going to go far in this competition, I think a lot of it will be because of Harry Kane, and I hope he does. I hope he gets them goals, because if he does, it means England have done well.
It's very kind of you to say, Wayne. All right, will he do it tomorrow in the first game against Iran?
I think it'll be tough. Iran are a hard team to play against, and obviously I know their coach. I worked with him for a while at Manchester United, and I know they'll be organised and hard to beat, so I hope he does. I don't think it will be tomorrow.
Okay, how many goals do you think in total he'll have by the end of his career? I should say international goals with England.
Yeah, I think he stays away from injuries, and he's very professional. He looks after his body. I think he'll look in mid-70s.
Not a bad number, not a bad number. Okay, let's ask a little bit more of a personal question. What is it, do you think, that Kane has that you didn't as a player?
I think what he's developed over the last 3 or 4 years is when he first come through in England and Tottenham, he was more of a number 9, just a goal scorer really, and over the last 3 or 4 years he's developed his game a lot, and he's playing more as a number 10 at times, or 9.5 if you like, and his vision, his assist he's given to other players is incredible really. So I think he's developed his game a lot, but also he's done that and managed to carry on scoring goals. So I don't know, he's a better finisher, a better goal scorer than I am. I was more of a player who just liked to play football and be involved, and he's developed that a little bit more over recent years, but he's certainly a number 9.
So you kind of already answered my second question. I was going to ask you what you had that he doesn't have, but let's move on to another one. You've got a penalty on the line. It's, you win this, you score this, you take everything. So who takes it? Wayne or Kane?
I'd want to take it, but no, listen, I'd have to say Harry Kane. I think I've actually missed quite a few penalties in my career, so Harry's record is very good, so I'm not really a selfish player, so if we were both playing and it was to win the World Cup, he's probably better suited for it.
Very generous of you. Obviously, maybe your answer would be different as Wayne Rooney the player, Wayne Rooney the manager. But in any case, as a manager, if you had to pick a 16-year-old Wayne Rooney or a 21-year-old Harry Kane, who would you go with?
That's a tough one. I'd probably go for myself.
There you go. That's the spirit.
I need to.
Right? We need Wayne to pick himself every once in a while. Ronaldo or Messi?
That's it.